Hey everyone, welcome back to our episode where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, we are diving into the basic of page layout and design in Microsoft Word. Whether you are working on a school project or professional document or just a personal project, these tips will help you create work structure and visually appealing pages. Let's get started. Okay. The first step is launch a Microsoft Word. Here, I have the exciting Microsoft Word. I'm using this one for this demonstrations. Now go to the layout, click on the margin over here. Use the custom margins. Okay. So set your preferred margin or use the presets available. Like you can have the different one like here for the orientations, and you can use the difference margin if you want to use over here. And also you can use the select orientation to choose between portrait and landscape page orientations. Okay. So setting up your page margin and orientation is the first step, is ensuring your documents look professional. Okay. For example, let's use the landscape, this one. Now use the OK, then hit on the OK. Now that we have set up with the margin and also the orientations. Okay. Let's move on to adding headers and footers and page numbers. Okay. So first one, let's start with the adding headers and footers. So double click on the top here of the page, open up the headers or footers sections, and you can add text, images, or other elements common uses, including documents like title, text, or logos. For example, let's use the simple one, the headers, and we have now the headers like the blank columns. So whatever you want to use, this is the company addresses over here. And if I gonna use this one with the the titles, this one, and here if I want to use a different one, you can easily use it or you can easily delete it. Okay. So now that we have inserted or the headers, and if I want to insert the page numbers or like the different logo, for example, you can use here the logo, or I can use the example. Let's use the from here. I have the simple logo and I want to use to the here. What I'm gonna do, I want to use this typing range. I want to work with this one. Okay. So now that we have set up our logos in here. Okay. Now click on the outsides of the headers or double click over here. Now that we have set up our logo. Now if I use another pages, now you can see it comes with the logos and also the same titles. We use the headers. Okay. So now if you want to use the footers, as if you want to show up the page number, by double click over here, go to the footers, and let's use the footers over here. Whatever you want to use, you can easily use it, or by choosing here by the predefined or design with the headers. So let's use all the footers now that we have paste, and this is the page number 2. Okay. So this way you can easily use it at the image or logos, or you can easily use for the difference one, like the page number. You can have the company's logo or the difference number. Okay. So when everything is done, just close and headers and footers. And now that we have the headers and footers of here. Okay. So this way you can easily use your layout or page layout over here. Now go to the design tab, and design tabs help you to use the different themes, like this is the pre-design with the different font colors and also the font sizes. So for example, let's click over the themes. And now that I change or take my cursor with the different themes, you can easily see that it changes over here, the font also, and also the different styles. So for example, let's use the restore aspect, this one. Now here we have now this one. So now if you want to change the color by using the different colors, you can have the different colors, or you can have the like, if you want to use the different colors fonts by using here the different fonts you can have. Okay, now with the layout or the design, you can have the different background styles or the background colors by clicking over here the paste colors. Now you can see we have now the different colors for the more appealing. So for example, use the file effect, and this times I will use the picture or texture or gradient colors with here, and we have now true gradient colors. Let's choose this one, then hit on the OK. So now that we have the different gradient colors, and with this one, before that we want to use the orientations, or we want to change the positions, lens cams into, or change into the portrait. So now that we have portrait styles and with the different design. Okay, so headers and footers are keeping your documents more appealing and ensuring to always showing up your informations over here. So now let's take to the next level with the breaks or face breaks layout. So add a break at your current sheet locations to have your, or like here we can have the pickup align again at the next page accessions or columns. So first take your cultures when you want to use the break or breaks. So here we have the different options like the section break. So this will be insert your section break and insert the new sections to the next levels. Okay, next page also the continues the, and also the event page, or you have the different option. Now let's start with here and use the breaks and use the next page. So now it takes you from here to the next break or the next pages. Okay, so this way you can easily use it. Finally, let's add some visual appealing elements to our documents. So this kind of be like inserting images and also the charts and different images. So add the different images, or like the image or the chart, simply go to the insert tab, use the pictures, and for example, let's use the stock images from here, and here we can easily use it or choose it over here. For example, let's use the simple or this one, then insert it. So now you can see it inserted the images, or this is the element into here. Or if you want to insert here like the charts, by clicking over the insert, go to the charts, and here now you can have the different chart by selecting like here, and you can use this one, and I want to use this one. So now that we have also another charts and also the tables, you can easily edit this one or that this data for your work, tables or for your charts. Okay, so by using the or by inserting the charts and also the elements, so it can be help or you or give your the visual appealings documents for the visual appealing into your Word documents. Okay, so and that's it for today's tutorial, or using or a tutorial for the page layout and the themes. Okay, so so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.